what I appreciate about programs like the Roads is there's a concept behind it to hold you accountable to what you're doing. And it's not that they're, in a mean way about it. They want to see success. They want to see you attend these workshops and help you with your interview processes and all these things, but they also want to help you financially. With a lot of these classes that you take when you get into like the blue collar work, there's hidden costs that you don't really know about when it comes to tools, helping out with the tuition assistance, the job search afterwards, helping you tie in with some of these local companies in our community. I would say if you have any aspirations to do anything in life, you got to chase it. You got to go after it. And there's always something out there that'll help you in some way, whether it's financially, motivationally, just some guidance, maybe some counseling to, hey, these are what's offered at this school. Our school here has a lot of great opportunities. Anything you want to do, you can certainly pursue it. It can happen.